Question 1. NABARD has acquired a 10% stake in a Chennai-based agri-fintech startup to support rural credit innovation. What is the name of the startup? A. AgriGrow. B. Akisan Credit. C. 24x7 Moniworks. D. AgriBank Solutions. Correct option, C. Answer. 24x7 Moniworks. Question 2. A new UPI feature allows a primary user to delegate transaction authority to another person. What is this feature called? A. UPI Delegate. B. UPI Proxy. C. UPI Link. D. UPI Circle. Correct option, D. Answer. UPI Circle. Question 3. The Ministry of Skill Development and Microsoft launched a program to train women in AI. What is the name of this initiative? A. Women in Tech. B. AI Future for Women. C. AI Careers for Women. D. Digital Devas. Correct option, C. Answer. AI Careers for Women. Question 4. The India AI Mission aims to build a comprehensive AI ecosystem. Which ministry is leading this initiative? A. Ministry of Education. B. Ministry of Electronics and IT. C. Ministry of Science and Tech. D. Ministry of Skill Development. Correct option, B. Answer. Ministry of Electronics and IT. Question 5. The Competition Commission of India approved equity acquisition in Bharti AXA Life Insurance by which private equity firm? A. ICICI Ventures. B. 361. C. Sequoia Capital. D. HDFC Ventures. Correct option, B. Answer. 361. Question 6. From April 22, 2025, luxury goods sold above 10 lakh rupees will attract a 1% TCS. Under which section is this implemented? A. Section 80C. B. Section 206C. C. Section 194J. D. Section 90E. Correct option, B. Answer. Section 206C. Question 7. To enhance cybersecurity, RBI has mandated banks to migrate websites to which exclusive domain? A. Gov.in. B. RBI.in. C. Bank.in. D. Fiin.in. Correct option, C. Answer. Bank.in. Question 8. The RBI now allows minors aged 10 plus to independently operate accounts. Which of these facilities may banks offer to minor accounts? A. Credit cards. B. Loans. C. Checkbook. D. Overdrafts. Correct option, C. Answer. Checkbook. Question 9. What is the theme for Earth Day 2025, observed on April 22? A. Our planet, our mission. B. Earth for all. C. One Earth, one future. D. Our power, our planet. Correct option, D. Answer. Our power, our planet. Question 10. Who was named the 2024 Wisden's leading cricketer in the men's category? A. Virat Kohli. B. Ben Stokes. C. Jasprit Bumrah. D. Steve Smith. Correct option, C. Answer. Jasprit Bumrah. Question 11. Under the new RBI norms effective from April 1, 2026, what is the runoff factor for stable retail deposits with IMB? A. 5%. B. 7.5%. C. 10%. D. 12.5%. Correct option, B. Answer. 7.5%. Question 12. Which app introduced a 24/7 hyperlocal pharmacy delivery service with a 10-minute promise? A. PhonePe PinCode. B. JioMart. C. Big Biscuit. D. Blinkit. Correct option, A. Answer. PhonePe PinCode. Question 13. The 2025 Laureus Sports Awards were held in which city? A. Barcelona. B. Madrid. C. Rome. D. Paris. Correct option, B. Answer. Madrid. Question 14. What is the purchase order value received by Megha Engineering for building nuclear reactors? A. 8,500 crore rupees. B. 10,000 crore rupees. C. 12,800 crore rupees. D. 15,000 crore rupees. Correct option, C. Answer. 12,800 crore rupees. Question 15. What is the revised ATM transaction fee beyond free limits from May 1, 2025? A. 21 rupees. B. 22 rupees. C. 23 rupees. D. 25 rupees. Correct option, C. Answer. 23 rupees.